Earn €2,000 per month with Fiverr. Europe Guide. Want to work from home and earn in euros, even with no degree? Fiverr is one of the easiest platforms to start with. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to earn up to €2,000 per month, step by step, even as a beginner in Europe. Let's get into it. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelance marketplace. You list a service, someone buys it, you deliver, and get paid. Simple. You don't need to apply for jobs. Clients come to you. And many freelancers across Europe are earning full-time income from Fiverr alone. What can you offer on Fiverr? You don't need to be a programmer, or a designer, or even have a degree. Here are beginner-friendly services that are in demand right now: resume and cover letter writing, social media content creation, AI-generated blog posts using ChatGPT, YouTube, thumbnail design, podcast, transcription, translation between languages, virtual assistants voiceover, using your natural accent, simple video editing with tools like CapCut or Canva. You can start by learning just one skill and offer that as a service. How to set up your Fiverr gig. First, create a clean profile with a real photo. Add a short bio in English. Keep it professional but friendly. Next, create your first gig. Use a clear title like, "I will write a professional CV and cover letter," or "I will design modern YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. Add 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. Start low, maybe €10 to €30 per order, until you get your first few reviews. How to stand out as a beginner. Here's what works. Add portfolio samples, even if they're made for practice. Offer fast delivery, under 24 hours. Be online often. Fiverr boosts active sellers. Use short gig videos to explain your service. Respond to messages quickly. These simple actions make you appear more trustworthy and help Fiverr recommend your gig. How much can you realistically earn? In the beginning, expect around €100 to €300 per month as you build your profile. After your first 10 to 20 reviews, you can increase your prices. Let's say you offer a service for €40 and deliver 2 orders per day. That's €80 a day, €560 a week, and over €2,000 a month. It's very possible with consistency. Many people from across Europe, and even Africa and Asia, have done this with no experience. Final tips. When starting, focus on over-delivering. Send a personal thank you after each order. Add a bonus, like a PDF or extra sample. Ask for honest reviews. Keep your delivery times short and sweet. The Fiverr algorithm rewards reliability, speed, and good ratings. Stay active, stay helpful, and your account will grow. Wrap up. Fiverr is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn money online in Europe. All you need is internet, a skill, and consistency. Start now, and in 90 days, you could have your first €1,000 month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more guides like this to help you earn in euros and pounds from anywhere. You've got this.